Problems being faced by nurses and medical staff during this COVID 19 pandemic are we spend a lot of time up close with the patient doing high risk activities such as delivering meals and medical supplies, daily routine checkups, cleaning, etc. If we and medical staff starts coming in contact with novel coronavirus in high numbers while engaging with patients, it can hamper the medical system. During this major disaster and outbreak, we have massive patient surges that affects the medical system, so we need as many healthcare workers as possible. We doctors have to do routine checkup more frequently than ever before. It creates more physical stress and reduces our efficiency. Due to lack of sufficient number of PPE among health workers is putting their life at risk. Solution to these problems after implementing NAIR. I will help the medical staff to maintain a contactless communication with patients. I will help the medical staff to do their daily high risk activities during this pandemic through wireless communication. Can be the alternative of insufficient PPEs to medical staff. I can be used as a medium of interaction between the doctor and patient for their daily checkups. I will take out the dustbin containing high density polythene bags and will carry out to a safe place where cleaning staff can easily decompose the pack containing biowaste. NAIR will be based on concepts of holonomic drive using 4 high-performing DC planetary geared motors coupled with roller-type omni wheels. This type of drive is best suitable for the hospital use as it can move in 8 different directions very easily and can be suitably controlled in tight space, hence it can handle multiple patients in one go. In there will be 3 levels of racks for transferring various kind of essential materials like medicine and food supply to COVID-19 infected patients with minimum workforce. The NAIR will also have a system to grab dustbin placed in patient's room using 2 claws. It will take the dustbin out at safer distance from patients from where the cleaning staff will take out the high density polyethylene bags and dispose it at the proper place. Apart from all other features, NAIR also contain a advanced communication feature. Through this system, all the useful important information can be transferred from doctor to patient and patient to doctor. Doctor will also be able to have live interaction using camera and LCD display with patients. NAIR will also have an infrared thermometer through which doctor can take the reading of infected patient's body temperature and this information will be automatically updated to the server. Hidden features of NAIR. For safer and efficient communication, NAIR will use GSM module communication protocol. NAIR will have the replaceable type batteries, hence it increases its endurance. The NAIR can be sanitized in UV type C exposure using UV chamber. Also, NAIR will come with pre-programmed advanced user interaction feature through which it can control conscious patients.